Today is Wednesday, November 29th, 2023. I didn't place any trades in my day trading account today on both ES or NQ, but I want to make a video to talk about what I saw and the reason why I didn't place a trade today. So I didn't place a trade today because the setup that I am waiting for did not come by. It did not occur. So I told myself I was going to be disciplined, follow my rules, and I'm not going to place a trade if my setup did not come. But I'm not surprised that this sell-off happened today because both NQ, so this is a daily chart of NQ took out these highs, this high right here, it swept to that liquidity, and ES, this is ES took out this high, swept this liquidity, and then for ES on the weekly chart, this is a weekly chart of ES, it traded into this pink box, which is a fair value gap, and the best time to go short was on one tick below 7, bar 7. I did see this in real time, but I'm trying something new where I am going to take only longs when the markets are bullish according to a seasonal tendency, and I will go short during the seasons where the market is traditionally weak. So that is the reason why I didn't go short today, although I saw this setting up, but I didn't do it because I'm only looking for longs. So you could have went short, if you were looking for a short one tick below 7, because we have 2 consecutive bear bars, and once 8 traded 1 tick below 7, you could go short, put your stop at the high of the day, and see if you could get this type of move down. And on the 15-minute, I did notice that, we'll get rid of that. Once this is the 15-minute candle on ES, once this candle traded below the range of this bear bar, this candle, it tested the low of this to the tick. So the low of this candle is 45.8450, and the high of this candle is 45. Hold on, excuse me. So the low of this candle is a 45.8275, and the high of this candle is 45.8275 to the tick. So that's why I always pay attention when I see a bear candle. Once we make a new swing high, and then once price aggressively breaks below it, the range of this candle usually becomes resistance. And I did see this in real time, but then again, I didn't take the short because I'm only looking for longs during this time of the year. And I was also managing my overnight accounts. I swing trade commodities. I swing trade gold, corn, soybeans, oil. So I'm also looking at commodities where I am swinging them overnight. So this wraps it up for today. Didn't place any trades, but sometimes sitting on cash is the best option when what you are looking for does not materialize. Because the question is, do you want to make money, or do you want to satisfy your bank account, or do you want to satisfy your emotion? I choose the latter. I want to satisfy my bank account. So I'm going to be patient and wait for the trades that I know and that I am waiting for. I will see you guys on the next video. Peace.